Hi guys, so this is little Maisy. She's a Maltipoo. She's out here in the play yard playing with the jingle toys, getting some sunshine. She just had a bubble bath. The rest of her siblings are getting a bubble bath this morning, and then as soon as I'm done with that, they're going to be out here to join her. She's doing great with potty time, sleeping in her crate. She's just a little love bug. So cute. Oh, now she's on the turntable. Sometimes they're not quite heavy enough to spin it. Now she's over here checking out the slide. Going underneath it. What do you see, Mace? What do you see, Maisy? Just beautiful out here. I don't know if the camera's picking up, but the birds are singing and it's just so wonderful. And Maisy is having a blast until her siblings come out. So I'm gonna get back inside and continue doing bubble baths this morning. Everybody's getting tubbies. Look at you go, girlfriend. You gonna go down the slide, Mace? Come here. Come on, show him. Show him you go down the slide. Show him. Come on, Maisy girl. Look at her go. You can do it, good job. So yeah, we are back at it. Everybody's getting tubby times today. We're doing additional training. And of course, I bring them out every couple hours in the play yard. So we play hard, go inside, we nap hard. Then in a couple hours, you come back out. We're practicing potty time and playing outside.